Hello there, come on in. Video at the end with the tonsil stone haul. This is just an AI-generated voice, not my real voice. But I thought I'd create this to explain something going on with me and something I think is worth discussing. After my last video, AIM 29, there was a comment that raised a concern that my channel is a scam. I have pinned that comment to the top of the video. While I already replied to them, I think it's more important to hold myself accountable. And to that end, I'd like to tell you a bit about what's been going on with me. Since I started my channel, the idea always has been, and continues to be, to afford a tonsillectomy for myself. My channel first became monetized in September of 2022. Since then, I have earned a total of $34.96. Most of my videos are demonetized for graphic content, so I don't really make any money off this channel to afford the tonsillectomy. That's when I had the bright idea to try raising funds in alternative ways, and in the video AIM 28, I came up with the bright idea of selling my tonsil stones, which many of you replied, why not do a GoFundMe instead? I have a very difficult time accepting charity, but I considered it enough to discuss it with one of my family members who is a nurse. While they aren't an ENT, they suggested, the surgery would likely cost around $10,000–$20,000. They based this info off of my personal details, which I will not be disclosing here. It's not a great estimate, but it's the best I've got right now. A few of you have commented that this number is likely incorrect. The insurance I have is very poor, and the agent I spoke with told me they cannot give me an estimate until after I've seen an ENT. Because this is a specialist, the visit first has to be approved by my primary care doctor and my insurance. I have been approved, however, I am still waiting for an appointment, as the ENT office that was selected for me by my insurance is limited in its booking for my area. I have tried to stay diligent with updating viewers as I have been going along. It's been very frustrating. Without going any deeper into my finances, I was never planning to ask anyone for help. But you convinced me, all of you. The people who view my videos are some of the most kind people I've ever talked to. You've all shown me so much kindness, and I hope I've returned and encouraged that for you. There are a lot of people that take advantage of the kindness of strangers, especially on the internet, and I am not one of them. But I understand that you have no reason to believe that, and that's okay. The best I can do is tell you what's going on with my situation and ask for your trust. Just so we have a bit of a roadmap to follow, this is currently what needs to happen. First, I need to meet with an ENT specialist. This is what I'm currently waiting on. If they recommend surgery, I can get a cost estimate from my insurance, depending on that price, create the GoFundMe, then fundraise, and go get the surgery. Seeing this all laid out sounds daunting, but there it is. Some of you have mentioned programs that might be able to assist me with payment/cost. If you live in the USA and know of some such program, I would love to hear from you. Please contact me with my email address in the description. As a return of that trust, let me tell you a bit about my life and what's going on. For those of you who have been following my channel for a while, you'll know that last year my life was very turbulent. A nasty breakup, combined with recovering from an injury, and a significant career shakeup. I essentially had to start my life over from scratch. Throughout all of that, I've continued to post videos here and there when I can, while putting myself back together. I'm happy to report things in my life have significantly improved. Going to therapy really helped immensely. I've also been busy working a new job. The pay isn't much, and it doesn't come with healthcare, but it will help me as I continue to rebuild and improve things. I always wish that you, my dear viewers, are doing okay, and today I'm happy to tell you that I am, in fact, doing okay. Thank you for watching. That's all I've got for you today. See you on the next exciting adventure inside me. Please subscribe.